Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a free SHEIN gift card in 2026. You can actually get a $750 free SHEIN gift card code, and this takes just a few minutes of your time. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos and tutorials. Most of them don't even work, and the way that I'm going to show you is going to get you a $750 digital gift card for SHEIN. So this is a code you can redeem in your SHEIN account, and it is going to supply you with $750. So what you need to do is basically just use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android. And go to www.crashcoupons.com. Make sure you spell it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. And what this is, guys, this is basically a coupon code website. You're going to be greeted by loads of sort of game codes and stuff, but they do have a page dedicated for SHEIN codes. So use the search bar and just type in SHEIN and it should pop up. On this page, there are 3 verified working codes. So scroll down and look for the $750 gift card. So this is going to get you a SHEIN gift card code for completely free. And the entire process of getting your code takes about 5 minutes. And this is working in 2026. So as you can see, it says your code is ready. And basically you need to complete a verification to unlock your SHEIN gift card code. That is because these are limited. There's 500 codes. So it does stop people getting more than one of these codes per person. So click on this button, and then you just got to follow the instructions on this screen. It's really easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your SHEIN gift card code. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks here. They're all completely free. You need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of those. And if you do that, I'm going to skip forward. But if you do 2 of those, it will unlock your SHEIN gift card code in this box, and you can redeem it. So you enter it into your SHEIN account, and it's going to add $750. So yeah, that is it. It takes a few minutes, but that is the easiest and fastest method to get free SHEIN gift card codes in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons, search for the SHEIN page, and just select the gift card code there for $750. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.